Hello, hello. So today we are using lemon juice. This is the squished one from the grocery store. This is what I use to clean my house, mostly in the kitchen, to get the grimy stuff off. It works great with baking soda, but whatever. I'm using it today to do some invisible art that we're going to have to add some heat to bring to life. But I thought we'd start really easy and start making just marks with the tip of the brush. This is an IKEA brush that I had laying around, and you know me and using cheap materials when you're experimenting and trying stuff out. But I think the last time I tried something like this was when I was little, and my friends and I used to use a Q-tip or a really fine brush to write letters to each other, like silly notes and stuff like that. And then we'll get home and we'll put a candle on the table with, well, I will do it with my dad, and we'll put the paper on top to try to get, you know, the heat to activate the ink or the lemon juice from the paper, and try to read messages like that. Or I'll tell my mom to please iron it for me so that the secret message will be revealed. And then when I was a little bit older, I used to make these kind of maps for my cousins, for my little cousins, and hide stuff in the backyard and have them try to, like, you know, find out what the message said. Anyways, so I thought, why not do it now as an adult, you know, and use it for my bullet journal or my mixed media papers or my art journal, or even better, my junk journal, you know, where I do all my, you know, just my personal journaling. And anyways, so I thought I'm going to share with you guys because this is so much fun. And I've used it to dye some coffee papers too. And I shared that on my Instagram. I don't know if you saw it. Mix It Up Marcy. So if you don't follow me there, go follow me, because I do some pictures and mini videos there and some more personal life stuff. But for now, this is what I have to offer to you, and I am working on some really cool papers. But anyways, that's another story. Now, only thing you have to do is try to start easy, like I did with lines and dots and stuff like that, and then you can probably try doing some leaf patterns or flowers or shapes like that, and just experiment with your juices. Because after I did my little plant here, I'm like, I wonder what the regular lemon juice mark is different from the already packed lemon juice in a bottle. So I went to the kitchen and I got a fresh lemon and I squashed it, and well, I got all the juicy stuff out of it. So once I got the juice out, I decided to do the same thing again. So I just did all the patterns and all my marks again. And I thought it was very useful to compare the two of them and see what the difference could be. So for me, both of them have worked fine for what I've used them, but I wanted to actually show you and like compare notes right now with you. So I took another piece of paper, and again, I did exactly the same thing. And I don't know if you knew this, but the fact that we're using some everyday stuff like I do in my videos means that you, where you live, can have different stuff that you can actually use. I remember when I went to Turkey and they have a bunch of different colorful, beautiful spices, and I already wanted to paint with them when I saw them at the big bazaar or whatever the name is. But if you think of stuff that you have around your house that is saved for you to play with, or that you can try to experiment with in a safely manner, why not do it and share it with the world? If you have some techniques or tricks, let me know in the comments below. I would love to know what you play with and what you have that you can experiment with. So now I decided that I was gonna iron them. And when I was ironing them, it was better just to put the iron on top of it and leave it for a few seconds, maybe like 50 seconds at a time, and then lift it so that you could see what the result was. And the more you leave it on top of the paper, the darker it will get. So this is the result after like a minute of ironing it. And after I did all of them, here is what they look like. And I bet you cannot see the difference between the normal lemon juice and the already bottled lemon juice. Let me know if you do, because that will be amazing. So yeah, what do you normally experiment with? What do you normally do that gets you all excited about trying new things out and thinking outside the box? Let me know in the comments below. Here is a side-by-side of all the papers and what they look like. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure spending a little bit of my time with you, and thank you for spending your time with me and clicking on this video. If you liked it, please share it with friends that will probably like it too. Feel free to experiment with your kids in this. I bet this is really safe for them to do, except for the hot bar stuff. Be with them for that. And that's it for me. Hope you have an amazing day. Bye!